touched base with Nexus in 2016, looking for a specific solution that Nexus was able to offer us. We piloted 4 cabinets originally. It was 2 XL cabinets and 2 XD cabinets, and from there the relationship is built, and now we have close on 90 cabinets on one of our main customer sites. It's very important in the microelectronic industry that the tools that are being used to maintain the machines are fully calibrated and fully up to spec. It saves time having the smart cabinet nearby, so they're not carrying out extra steps. They don't have to leave the specific use case area that they're using it in. You can take out a number of products, a number of kit boxes, and they're all accountable, they're all restricted to our key users, and fully traceable as well. Fully dynamic integrated reporting system, so we can look at the historics, what's needed. Once the end user is aware that the tools are being tracked, it's guaranteed that there's going to be a saving on tools, essentially, which is on our site a key benefit and a key focus. They're very clear and transparent about future developments and future roadmaps that they are going to be working on, and it lets us integrate our feedback. Their flexibility and their alignment on what our customer key needs are made it a good relationship and a key product on site.